Imagine a tiny, fragile vessel launched from Earth decades ago, sailing past giant planets and icy moons into the dark between the stars. This ship is Voyager 1, a testament to human curiosity and our urge to explore the cosmos. More than a machine, Voyager 1 is our eyes and ears in a place we cannot yet visit. It carries the hopes of a species gazing up in wonder. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 was part of a grand tour, using a rare planetary alignment to slingshot from one world to the next. This cosmic billiards shot sent it on an epic journey, leaving home forever. Voyager 1 has traveled farther than any human-made object in history. It braved Jupiter's radiation, flew past Saturn's rings, and left the Sun's protective bubble, the heliosphere. Now, it drifts through interstellar space, a lonely pioneer in a silent wilderness. Every day it travels another 1.5 million kilometers away, deeper into the cosmic ocean. Yet across all that distance, we still hear its faint whisper, a connection that defies the emptiness. Built with 1970s technology, Voyager 1 continues to send back data from a realm no one has visited. It tells us what it's like in the cold, dark void. Even across the greatest distances, a connection is possible. Voyager's story is one of perseverance, discovery, and the unyielding human spirit. It reminds us to ask, what's out there? This tiny ship, against all odds, keeps going. It's a triumph of engineering and imagination. Voyager 1 is a symbol of our place in the universe. It's a story that continues to unfold every day as it sails onward. Our fragile blue dot is still reaching out, still listening, and Voyager 1 is still answering. How far is Voyager 1 now? Over 24 billion kilometers from Earth. So distant, light takes more than 22 hours to reach us. The signals we receive are echoes from yesterday, a message from the edge of our solar system. To grasp this distance, imagine Earth as a marble and the Sun a meter-wide ball 150 meters away. Voyager would be a speck of dust 24,000 kilometers from us. Our entire solar system would appear as a tiny point of light from Voyager's vantage. Voyager 1 is moving at over 61,000 kilometers per hour, thanks to gravity assists from Jupiter and Saturn. These planetary slingshots flung it onto a one-way path out of the solar system. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the Sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. Now it samples particles and magnetic fields from the galaxy itself. It's the first human object to enter interstellar space. Voyager sends back data about the galactic neighborhood our solar system travels through. Each transmission is a postcard from a place we've only dreamed of visiting. Its journey is a first for humanity. Voyager 1 is our interstellar explorer. It's showing us what lies beyond the Sun's reach, and it's still going. How do we hear Voyager 1 from so far away? Its transmitter is as weak as a refrigerator light bulb. By the time its signal reaches Earth, it's 20 billion times weaker than a digital watch's power. Detecting this whisper requires the Deep Space Network, giant radio antennas in California, Spain, and Australia. These dishes, up to 70 meters wide, act as enormous ears, collecting Voyager's faint radio waves. Voyager's own high-gain antenna must be aimed precisely at Earth. Even a tiny misalignment would break the link. Commands from Earth keep this delicate connection alive. Data travels as radio waves, encoded in ones and zeros, at a rate far slower than dial-up internet. But every bit is precious. Measurements of cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and plasma in interstellar space. This is raw data from an alien environment. Each transmission is a gem, a voice calling home from the great beyond. The conversation is a triumph of physics and engineering. Voyager's faint signal is a bridge across the void, and we're still listening. Voyager 1 is a marvel of 1970s engineering, built to last in the harshness of deep space. Its 10-sided core houses instruments for imaging, particle detection, and more, many now turned off to save power. Solar panels wouldn't work so far from the Sun, so Voyager uses a nuclear battery, a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, or RTG. Plutonium decays, producing heat, which is converted to electricity, a steady power source for nearly 50 years. Its computers are primitive by today's standards, with a fraction of a smartphone's memory, yet they've guided Voyager flawlessly. Software updates are sent from Earth, taking hours to arrive. The ability to reprogram Voyager from billions of kilometers away has kept the mission alive. To keep its antenna pointed at Earth, Voyager uses the Sun and bright stars as guides, firing tiny thrusters for adjustments. These thrusters have fired hundreds of thousands of times, steering our ship through the cosmic currents. Every system is a testament to robust, ingenious design. Voyager's resilience is a lesson in engineering. It's a survivor, still sending data from the edge, and it's not done yet. Attached to Voyager 1 is a golden record, a message in a bottle for the cosmos. It's a greeting from humanity, meant for any intelligent life that might someday find the spacecraft. The odds of discovery are tiny, but the act of sending it is profoundly hopeful. The record, curated by Carl Sagan's team, contains 115 images, landscapes, animals, scenes of human life, and even a DNA diagram. It also holds sounds of nature, greetings in 55 languages, and music from Bach to Chuck Berry, a playlist for the universe. Instructions etched on the cover use diagrams and a galactic map, designed to be understood by any advanced civilization. The record shows our sun's location relative to pulsars and how to play the contents. It even includes the structure of the hydrogen atom as a universal reference. This is our best attempt to say, this is who we are, and this is where we come from. The golden record is a symbol of our desire to connect. It's a time capsule of Earth, adrift among the stars. Voyager carries our story into the unknown. It's a message of peace, curiosity, and hope, and it's still traveling. Voyager 1's primary mission was to explore Jupiter and Saturn, and it did so spectacularly. It revealed Jupiter's Great Red Spot and discovered active volcanoes on Io, the first seen beyond Earth. It found hints of a subsurface ocean on Europa, sparking the search for life. At Saturn, Voyager captured breathtaking images of the rings and discovered new moons. Its flyby of Titan revealed a hazy atmosphere, setting a course for interstellar space. After the planets, Voyager's mission shifted to explore the edge of the sun's influence. It measured the solar wind and mapped the heliosphere's structure. In 2012, Voyager crossed the heliopause, leaving the sun's domain for interstellar space. It now sends back the first direct measurements from this new frontier: particle density, magnetic fields, and plasma waves. Voyager is writing the first chapter of interstellar exploration. Its discoveries have changed our understanding of the solar system's edge. Every bit of data is a step into the unknown, and the story continues. Keeping Voyager 1 alive for nearly 50 years is an extraordinary feat. A dedicated team of engineers and scientists, many younger than the spacecraft, worked tirelessly to keep it talking to us. They balanced dwindling power, turning off instruments to extend the mission's life. In 2023, a memory chip failure garbled Voyager's signals. The team ingeniously rewrote code to bypass the fault, restoring communication after months of silence. Their work is a blend of engineering, problem-solving, and perseverance. They refuse to give up on this distant explorer. Each challenge is met with creativity and determination. Their dedication keeps Voyager's journey alive, and the flame still burns. Voyager 1 is more than a science mission, it's a cultural icon. It embodies our curiosity, our drive to explore, and our courage to face the unknown. In 1990, at Carl Sagan's request, Voyager turned back and photographed Earth, a pale blue dot suspended in a sunbeam. That image reminds us of our planet's fragility and our place in the cosmos. Voyager's journey highlights the vastness of space and our own smallness. Yet rather than insignificance, it inspires awe and ambition. Voyager is a beacon, a light we sent into the darkness, carrying our story. It reminds us what we can achieve when we dream big. It encourages future generations to look up and ask questions. Voyager is a monument to human creativity and perseverance. Its journey is a source of hope and inspiration. It's a silent ambassador, sailing forever among the stars. The mission's legacy is just beginning, and its light still shines. Voyager 1's story isn't over. It will send whispers for a few more years, then drift through the galaxy for millions more. It's a relic of a species that dared to reach for the stars. Voyager is a stepping stone, teaching us how to explore deep space. Its lessons shape the next generation of interstellar probes. The journey has just begun. We dream of sending missions to other stars and worlds. Voyager shows that challenges are surmountable. We are explorers, and the universe is our ocean. When you look up, remember Voyager, still flying, still carrying our hopes. The journey among the stars is our destiny.